Connect using ultra-fast 1 millisecond to 4 GHz gaming optimized wireless technology, low latency Bluetooth wireless, or USB wired. 100% Cherry MX red mechanical key switches with gold contacts for fast, precise key presses. Per key, blue LED backlighting and large font keycaps deliver vibrant lighting effects. 128-bit AES encryption mode helps protect your keystrokes from wireless eavesdropping to keep your personal data safe. Compact and portable keyless design saves on space and makes travel easy. Up to 15 hours of rechargeable battery-powered wireless use, or plug-in via USB wired for uninterrupted gameplay. Dedicated multimedia and volume controls to adjust your audio on the fly. Experience ultimate gaming freedom with the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, featuring ultra-fast 1 millisecond to 4 GHz gaming optimized wireless technology combined with Cherry MX mechanical key switches for maximum performance. Advanced wireless features include Bluetooth technology for flexible connectivity and strong 128-bit AES encryption to help protect the transmission of your data. Vibrant, blue LED backlighting is customizable using Corsair Utility Engine (Q) software to create dynamic lighting effects. The compact, keyless design is space-saving and portable with up to 15 hours of battery life, while a detachable, soft-touch wrist rest provides comfort to enhance your gameplay. Top reviews from the United States. Overdue quality KB. My goal was to find a good quality wireless backlit mechanical keyboard, which in years past was an impossible feat. I write a lot, with a laptop connected to a TV, so a living room solution was needed. I use a lap desk with wireless mouse alongside the wireless KB. This is the best KB I've used thus far, so I guess I am going to learn to stop resting my fingertips when pausing. Otherwise, great KB. Don't hesitate to buy unless you're a writer.